Hi, Chris Kuzmal here. Today we're going to talk about the rotate out helper method for binary search trees that supports the delete operation. The rotate out helper method expects its argument to be a node and for that node to have two children. If the node is null, then we're just going to return because this is not expected. Otherwise, we save the successor of A into the variable suc. And we splice that out of the search tree. And then we store the key of the successor into the key of the node that we were splicing out. By doing that, we overwrite the value of the key in the node that we're rotating out. I said splice out, we're rotating it out. It's still being removed, but through a rotation approach. What does this look like? So here we have a binary search tree. We're going to rotate out the node whose key value is 7, which is highlighted in orange. The first thing we do is we save the successor. And that's down here. We see the variable successor now points to the node 8, which is the successor node to node 7. It's not the right child or the left child, it's the successor, which is the smallest element in amongst the subtree of the right child of 7, if you recall. All right, so we've saved successor by pointing to it, and that means that we can splice out the node of the successor, and that just means that node with key 10 no longer points to node with key 8, and instead points to node with key 9. The next thing we do is we copy the contents of the successor into the out-rotated node. In other words, node 7 here is going to fade away and become the node with the key value 8. And then all the other information that was saved is no longer necessary. And we have now rotated out node 7 using the rotate out helper method.